Hi cutie pies, welcome to my class. Today we will learn about shapes and we will color it. So without wasting of time, let's color it. Yay! So this is triangle. Let's color it with a blue color. It has 3 sides. Yes, let's color it with blue color. This color is blue. Yeah, wow. Lovely color. I like blue color. Do you like blue color? Yes, this blue color is so beautiful. Now we will color. This is heart shape. This is so beautiful. Yeah. But I'm coloring this heart with pink color. Yay! This is pink color. Isn't it beautiful? I think it's so beautiful. My favorite color is pink, and yours? Wow, it's look great. This is circle. Let's trace this circle. Yes. Now we are coloring this circle with green color. Yes, this is the green color. Yes, it's look great. I love this color. Now I'm coloring this square. Yes, this is a square. Lovely. This is the red color. I love red color. Do you love it? Yes. Okay. This is hexagon. So let's trace the hexagon and color color it. With yellow color. This is yellow color. This is color, yellow color, 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 color. Which is your favorite color? Yes, this is yellow color. Now, this is a star shape. You know the stars in the sky? Yes, this is the star. And I'm coloring it with orange color. This is orange color. Yes, this is orange color and this is star. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.